Is that carpet
Where?
on the ceiling?
Oh, looks like it. Wow, that's weird.
What is up, everyone? It's me, your favorite architect on the internet, as always. And today, hey, we got something for you. Where is this chair?
Burton, Michigan.
Michigan! We are here to evaluate your scams. But hey, otherwise, hey, listen, we're not gonna waste too much of your time. 3 bid for 300. What are you doing? Are you buying? Let us know in the comment section down below. Tier,
Yeah.
I'm liking this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you straight up, I'm liking this one.
Ditto.
This one, hey, I'm buying. I got the money, I'm buying. This one feels nice. It's got the nice landscaping. It's a nice prairie home. Yeah. Oh wow. An architect definitely did this one.
And I even like the house numbers.
Oh yeah.
Pretty cool.
It's very mid-century of it. Yeah.
$289. I can't believe it's that cheap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like.
Is that a crack in a brick or what?
I'm not even looking at the crack in the brick. I'm looking at
the ceiling.
Yeah, that soffit. There's just a plywood board that they just put up there. I don't know what's going on, but maybe that's why you're that cheap. I don't know. Oh,
Feels good.
that's the door. That's the entry. That's a nice entry. That's how you design an entryway. You know, you put a foyer. I'm always saying foyer. C'est parce que je suis pas français. Okay, that's like where we were. Okay, those are the stairs that are facing the door. Okay, at least you detached. You know, you made a pop out for the door. To remove it from the corridor, from the walkway, that, you know, where you then start selecting where you want to go. But I don't like the fact that you gotta get that half height straight off the door. That's the door.
Yeah.
Is that carpet
Where?
on the ceiling?
Oh, looks like it. Wow, that's weird.
Is that? I don't know. Hey, you wanted to to dampen the sound in the entryway there. Oh, hey. Is it just me, or those look like hemp boards? The ceiling boards, the tiles.
I don't know.
One thing I'm gonna say is that the design is nice. I mean, yeah, it's a bit outdated, but the design is pretty nice. You can always rip out the carpet, put out a new carpet, or just put out new flooring. You can always do some stuff, but at least the design itself is really pretty solid. Yeah.
Oh, is that a built-in sofa?
Yeah, it looks like it.
So just you need new cushions.
Well, where are you gonna put the TV? That's the floor plan, right? And you're facing the only solid wall. Like, you see?
Yeah.
You're
So
facing
would you rip that out?
That looks like that needs to be taken out to make that the credenza, you know, and then your TV right where you have that photo painted.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so. But then your fireplace is
Your fireplace is right there.
Yeah. So would you be able to still do that? And then is there
To
a
put the
cutout?
TV where the painting is?
Yeah. Is there a cutout for the kitchen there too? Or am I seeing things?
Yeah, looks like a cutout. Yep. I don't know where you'll put a TV. I guess, hey, with the expansive like views to the outside, you know, it's like, hey, look outside, don't look at a box, maybe. I still like it though. I mean, you could always figure out where to put. You can put your TV on a stand,
Yeah.
on a nice, stand, and put it in front of the glass. That's woof. Now we're getting into some fancy stuff.
Still pretty cool. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, the design is nice. What I just don't like is the fact that you gotta get up those whatever, like 6 stairs to
Yeah.
come into this room. You see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. This is a weird picture. Or is it this tight? I guess it's this tight. The den.
That's the dining.
Yeah.
Is it me? Is that carpet in the kitchen?
I can't tell. But the kitchen looks narrow.
What material is that? Yeah, if this is carpet, bro. The ceiling tile has absorbed enough moisture. It's seen better days. Hey, is that the same ceiling in our attic?
It kind of looks like it.
If it's the same one, then that one has seen some mileage. Wow, they got a stove from way back then. Still pretty cool though.
Doesn't it? But it's a really tight galley. Like, I don't know. Maybe you can bust down that wall and do something.
Oh, that's the little window to the living room that we're looking at. That you were asking if that was an opening. Yeah. Okay, architect. Why would you put the window right in that location? Is it to? Okay, the dining hall is that way. So, what's the purpose of that? To just have communication in the living room?
I think so.
But dang, they just made the kitchen like this little narrow. I would have wanted that kitchen to have windows to the outside, but I guess that's why you put that little nook.
It's so tight. 2 people cannot be in the kitchen at once.
Yeah. Hey, maybe they're not into cooking. Whoever designed it, they're
Not cook centric.
They're not cook centric. I came up with that word. Hey, remember that. I came up with that word, cook centric. What is that?
What, a laundry room?
With the refrigerator?
Hey, man.
Yo. Office. Is that solid brick or is that? It is solid brick. I mean, it's mid-century modern, so I would assume they used brick and not some lick and stick. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, another ceiling tile. Oh, looks nice. Another living room.
So I guess you don't need a TV in that room.
I guess.
I can't make out the layout. Like I don't know how we got here. So.
There, you see in bottom right hand corner. Let me go back. Boom, boom, boom. So that's the little room in the corner at the bottom, and then that one we're back looking at the entry. Right, that's where the office is, and then you just look back. That's where the great room, living room, whatever. And then that's from the other corner. And then that's from the last corner. Where are we now? Oh, the bathroom. That's off. Yeah, now we're looking at those stairs, looking at that living room.
The little view is cute. I like I guess where the photographer took the photo. How you can see.
That's nice. Well, the bed facing the windows, that's nice. I don't know, maybe this is like from way back then. Having the windows, you know, tall up and not come down. I guess it's fine. I don't know. The relationship between the door and the bed, I don't know if that's the best.
You know what? I like the worst.
You do?
I do. I would keep it. Yeah, I would keep it.
But what is that? It hasn't been touched. This house is like the same way it was back in the 70s, whenever it was built, 50s, 70s. That's a better relationship between the door and the bed. But I appreciate them also, you know, you face your windows. I'm always saying it. That's the one room I'm like, yeah. It's still alright, I guess. That's an extra bedroom. Utility. Okay, we're not gonna spend too much time in the utility. That's the bathroom downstairs.
Or is this the living room again?
Yeah. It's alright. For 300K, you okay? Fine. So, here you are. I'll give it to you. That's all I'm gonna say. As for a rating, what rating would we give it?
I would give it a 4. It needs a lot of work, but you can
4?
make it a masterpiece.
Yeah, you can definitely turn into like a 7, 8, 8, 9 if you're done really well. But right now, what you are, you're a 4. Yeah, you're falling apart, bro. You're like you are a Toyota. Solidly built, but you have not been serviced in a while, it seems, and you need a lot of work. But yeah, we give it a 7. That's what we give it. You guys let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Till next time, peace.